Me nah worship no man and ting, me nah worship no tree, no animal and ting, me nah worship no prophet, no human king, me only worship the ever living. Me nah worship no man and ting, me nah worship no tree, no animal and ting, me nah worship no prophet, no human king, me only worship the ever living. I looked to the west, looked to the east, checked out the creeds and ideologies, read many books in the libraries, even traveled to distant seas. There is no God but the Almighty One, to Him all the rule and all dominion. He grants us guidance and protection. Glory to the Creator of creation. Yes, the truth is clear like night and day. Pure monotheism, that is the way. Believe and obey, fast and pray, you will never go astray. Me nah worship no man and ting, me nah worship no tree, no animal and ting, me nah worship no prophet, no human king, me only worship the ever living. Me nah worship no man and ting, me nah worship no tree, no animal and ting, me nah worship no prophet, no human king, me only worship the ever living. Me chant, me Nasheed in a island style, different culture, place and time. Chant, me Nasheed in a African style, and me flow just like the river Nile. Me chant, me Nasheed in a island style, different culture, place and time. Chant, me Nasheed in a African style, and me flow just like the river Nile. Me nah worship no man and ting, me nah worship no tree, no animal and ting, me nah worship no prophet, no human king, me only worship the ever living. Me nah worship no man and ting, me nah worship no tree, no animal and ting, me nah worship no prophet, no human king, me only worship the ever living.